Is a 10 degree a half of 20 degree? Most of the people say yes, but it's wrong. Let's understand by an example. So consider that today is a 20 degree centigrade and tomorrow it will be 10 degree centigrade. So is a 20 degree Celsius double of 10 degree Celsius? The answer is no. Why a Celsius scale fails? It is just arbitrary zero. 0 degree Celsius is not a temperature corresponding to zero thermal state. It is just a temperature where water get freezed. Classically 0 Kelvin, known as absolute zero, is the temperature where all the random translational motion of particles stops, meaning their thermal kinetic energy theoretically drops to zero. This is known as absolute zero. Actually, 20 degree centigrade corresponds to 293 Kelvin in Kelvin scale, and 10 degree centigrade corresponds to 283 Kelvin. Now 283 is not half of 293, so 20 degrees centigrade will not be a double of 10 degrees centigrade. So this is the real problem. And what is the solution? The solution is Kelvin scale. To deal with the half of 293 Kelvin, which is equals to 20 degrees Celsius, we have to find the temperature corresponding to the half of the thermal energy. So here we go. Just divide 293 Kelvin by 2. You got the half of it, that is 146.5 Kelvin. Now 146.5 Kelvin corresponds to minus 126.6 degrees Celsius. So the thermal energy at 146.5 Kelvin or minus 126.6 degrees Celsius is half of the energy at 20 degrees Celsius, which corresponds to 293 Kelvin. As 146.5 Kelvin not corresponds to 10 degrees Celsius, hence thermal energy at 10 degrees Celsius is not half of the thermal energy at 20 degrees Celsius. Use the Kelvin scale instead of Celsius for correct ratio and double or half of any specific temperature.